folks, welcome to another Triple T Thursday. For those just joining us, that's Tools, Tips, and Talk, where we'll talk about info for the knife maker. In today's episode, I want to talk about the big challenge launching tomorrow, some projects I'm working on, and where I'm going with them. So first off, I'm really excited about the challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a link up in the corner. Definitely check that out. 10 YouTube channels, amazing YouTube channels, most of which I've watched since before I started, certainly before I started this YouTube channel. And when I was just learning and figuring out how to make knives, I was watching a lot of these channels. So it's pretty surreal being in a competition with all these guys, and they're really good guys. We have a Slack channel where we're all communicating and collaborating, and it's been really, really fun. So I'm happy to be a part of it and and actually to help organize it. So definitely stay tuned tomorrow. You'll see my knife, my video, and go check out all the other videos. Make sure you watch them all and go and vote. And there'll be a link in the video description to vote on the knife in tomorrow's video. I want to talk about projects. So I kind of gave you guys an option. Did you want to see the feather? Want to see me do a feather Damascus something? Probably be a Bowie, but we'll see. Or a Turkish twist. Most people, I think the feather had it by a hair. But time-wise, because I'm going on vacation and I've had this challenge and there's so much going on, there actually won't be some new build videos for a little bit. While I'm starting to work and compile all this footage. So this guy. This is a bar of now C's that will get restacked and then restacked again, and this will become the feather. So that's in the works. But I also thought, since you guys asked and I thought it would be kind of fun, I'm going to take this little guy, which was just a tiny little stack, and I just did a simple twist on it. Haven't done a twist in a really long time, so I figured I would just make a simple knife. So this isn't a Turkish twist, but it will be a twist. And this will be my Mako hunting knife. This is the one with the guard and hidden tang. So I'll go over that as well. This video might actually come out first because it's a simpler build. But wanted to take you through those, what's coming up on the channel. But most of all, guys, definitely watch the build videos tomorrow and check out everything that's coming as part of this Gyuto challenge. You guys are going to love it. That's all for today, folks. Thanks. We'll see you tomorrow.